Oh, I'm having sex with this food right now. Look at the inside of this. This is so good. You need to try this. Recipe down below. There's so much stuff in here. Fat. Fat from meat. Garlic.
What else, bruh?
Seasoning. A little bit of arugula. A little bit of salt.
There's no arugula, but there's some garlic, I could say.
That's what I said, garlic.
Yep. Well, hey, I'll tell you the recipe. 80-20 meat from Whole Foods. Garlic. Garlic. What else do we have? Lots of Parmesan. Some olives. And the most important part is baked meatballs. And before we made the pasta, we used all that unbelievable fat, or the jus as we call it, from the meatballs, and we created a creamy sauce with that to create this most amazing
Don't turn it off yet. Don't